How to upload longer reels on Facebook. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open the Facebook application. Here, let me tell you that Facebook allows you to upload reels that are 1 minute long, meaning reels that are up to 60 seconds in total. Anything above 60 seconds is considered a video, not a reel. So in today's video, I will tell you how you can upload longer reels. First, you need to click on the reel section. From here, click on the camera icon. Now select any video that is longer than 60 seconds. For example, this video is 1 minute and 43 seconds long, which is above 60 seconds. Next, click on next. After clicking next, describe your reel here and then publish it from here. After publishing, click on share now, and in this way you can upload your reel. So that was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.